Hey, I'm Sarah Carnes. Andrew Prchal is the president of Gunner Roofing, and he's here today to tell us more about his company, his products. Thank you for stopping by.
Absolutely. Thank you for having us.
Yeah, so I think when people think about roofing, one of the first things that come to mind is the price. What is this going to cost me? Well, you have something online. It's a tool to use to get an estimate, right?
Absolutely. So we actually have our own software that you can go online at gunnerroofing.com. You put in your information, and within less than an hour, you're going to get a quote back. So we want to make it super easy for our customers, make it so that they can be on the way to the bus stop and get a roof.
I love that. Okay, so Gunner Difference. Tell me what that is.
So the Gunner Difference, I know a lot of people have probably had a contractor experience where they're like, oh man, that's something I want to forget about. I want to leave it in the past. Our Gunner Difference is that we actually care. So we treat your home like it's ours. We go through, we answer our phones, we show up on time. I mean, really everything that your typical contractor experience is, we want to do the exact opposite and make it super positive.
What else about the experience do you think stands out with a project from Gunner Roofing?
Absolutely. So our projects, I mean, the biggest thing is we want to make sure that our communication is on point. Communication is a huge part about it. It's a big project, and so we want to make sure that it's just super easy to do. But we also want to make sure that if there's any questions that come up, any concerns, we're there to address them right away.
What about Gunner Cares? Tell me about that.
This is super exciting. So Gunner Cares is actually our community initiative. And so it's really our way of giving back to the community who's given so much back to us. So we're actually excited to announce that we are doing a campaign right now. So we're giving away a roof to a first responder or a veteran. And it's awesome. It's awesome to see. Basically, someone's going to go online. They're going to put in their information, their story at gunnercares.org, and then they're all set to go.
I love that. Well, thank you for giving back. If you want to learn more, it's gunnerroofing.com.